Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you about AI website. You can generate image from text. I'm not telling about midjourney website because it's paid website. I'm going to tell you about only free website. If you are new here, please subscribe the button and please comment below for next video. The first website is leonardo.ai. Here we go for check it and try text to image. I already sign up and processing. Here is many option, personal feed, training and data sets, fine-tuned models, photoreal, dream shaper, 3D animation style. Here is option for search, temporary. Here we try red or us. Generate. Here is processing. And look at the processing of this. This is like 7, 8, 9. Then it's processing. You can see your image like when you generate. First step is type here. I already typed red horse and then wow, amazing results. You can see this is amazing. If you like this website, and we are going to next website. Next website is bluewillow.ai. Let's try for this website. So here we go, old man. So I type old man. Here is option for generate artwork. You can generate. Wow, this is awesome, very nice, cool website. Other option is explore, my feed, library, my page, many more options. This is good website for text to image generate. Next website is Firefly. We are try for Firefly. What's about Firefly? Look at the interface of this website. I think this is very awesome website and free. Text to image. Here is many options like text to image, generative fill, text effects, generative recolor. You can recolor other photos. 3D to image, text to vector. I try for text to image. Old chair. Generate for old chair. Next. This is loading. Wait for few seconds. Here is other option that you can upload your image. This website will be show AI image. Here is option for uploading image. Our result is ready because a few seconds ago I typed for old chair. Here is image of old chair. This is also awesome website. You can try it. Next and last website is Lexica. Try for Lexica website. Here we go. Just simple interface. Here is no chance of confusion. Don't be confused. It's simple. Try for cat. There is many results of cat and it's free. So please subscribe the channel and press bell icon for just amazing videos. If you have any question, ask in comment section. Thank you so much friends.